Step inside and that classic Ford smell hits you right away. The seat adjuster's torn, paint's bubbling, even the rear wiper's given out. Tools are still tucked in place, but the back bumper tells the truth. It's been hit, bent, and twisted. Rough around the edges, but you can feel the story it carries. You can see the dash was modded for a sound system, but it's long gone. The stock exhaust was cut into a half moon just to let it breathe. Even the floor panel was held down with 4 screws, like they couldn't let it go. At 60, the right rear corner rattles like a passing bike. When you turn the wheel standing still, it even messes with the steering. The mirror adjuster doesn't work. First thing, just do some basic service. Drain out that thick black oil. Move aside, add engine oil, top it with factory transmission fluid, then check the oil smell, make sure it's right. When you flip it, the lifter breaks. The lower control arm mounts shot too. Shut it all down together. Swap in a brand new lifter. The stock wheels got brushed seats and a fresh spray. Only downside, the rims are just a bit too small. At idle, the car shakes just a little. Swap in a new engine mount, change the brake fluid, and bolt back the stitched leather steering wheel. Open the door. Clean up the rubber seals. Get them ready. Not quite of this world. Use a wire brush to clean out the sealant joints. Slip on the award outfit. The blue gas line works on and off. Pull it out and you'll see it's oxidized. He hated that blue line. It never worked right. Turns out it's tied to the airbags. Plug it into the computer and it spits out a few codes. Stick a pointer plate over the glued spot, then roll the carpet back in. The seats got rewrapped in fresh leather. A total mess through and through. Feels like it's been patched over more than once. Finally, a little cleaner. Stick on the safety film with the pins. Paint on a fresh grill badge. Let's take a look at the final result together.